Trigonometry, Class 10th, Exercise 8.2, Chapter number 8. Chapter number 8, Question number 3. If tan a plus b is equal to root 3 and tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3, so the value lies 0, a plus b and 90. जो वैल्यू लाइज कर रही है ए 0 to 90, a is greater angle than b, find the value of a and b. so यहाँ हम स्टार्ट करते हैं यार, स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. here given में tan a plus b root 3 and tan a minus b 1 by root 3. so start solution. Here tan a plus b is equal to root 3 and this value is root 3 is equal to tan 60 and 1 by root 3 value is tan 30. so root 3 value is tan 60, tan a plus b is equal to tan 60. so here tan goes, a plus b is equal to 60 degree. again equation first, tan a minus b which is equal to 1 by root 3 and which is tan 30. so tan a plus tan a minus b is equal to tan 30 degree, comes a minus b is equal to 30 degree. this is second equation. solve the equation first and second. we get here a plus b is equal to 60 degree and a minus b is equal to 30 degree. so here subtract so this value is a 2a and this is add, this is cancel. here 2a cancel and 60 here a subtract कर रहे हैं हम लोग, this is cancel and here 2b and 60 plus minus करें 60 minus 30 degree. so we get value b 30/2 15 degree. value of b is equal to 15 degree. put in equation first. a minus b is equal to 30. so a b value is minus 15 degree is equal to 30 degree. So A is equal to 30 plus 15 is equal to 45 degree. So A is 45 degree and B is 15 degree. So here क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 देखते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Question number 4. State whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. Here question number 1. Sin A plus B is equal to sin A plus sin B. ये स्टेटमेंट हम चेक करेंगे कि ये ट्रू है या फॉल्स. सो स्टार्ट करते हैं. यहाँ let sin A is 60 degree and B angle is, let A 60 degree and B is equal to 30 degree. So here sin 60 degree plus 30 degree is equal to sin 60 degree plus sin 30 degree. Sin 60 plus 30 is 90 degree is equal to sin 60 degree plus sin 30 degree. Sin 90 is 1. Sin 60 value root 3 by 2 and sin 30 1 by 2. LCM is that root 3 plus 1 not equal to 1. So our statement is false. It is the statement false. Second question is that the value of sin theta increase as the theta increase. Here sin theta increase and sin theta increase value is 0, 30, 45, 90 which is we see 0 से इंक्रीज करेगा थीटा 90 तक. So we now sin 0 is equal to 0. Sin 30 value is 1 by 2 which is equal to 0.5. Sin 45 degree, sin 45 1 by root 2 which is equal to 0.70. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2 which is equal to 1.73 divided 2, get 0.866 and sin 90 is equal to 1. So all values are increased. All value increase 0 to 90. So our statement is true. Statement true. Any true statement. Question number 3. the value of cos increase, theta increase. Here cos theta increase, so we check 0, 30, 45 and 90, which is 0 to theta 90. So cos 0 value is 1, cos 30 degree root 3 by 2, which is 0.866, and cos 45 is 1 by root 2, which is equal to 0.707, and cos 60 degree value is 1 by 2, 0.5, and cos 90 is 0. So value decrease, value 0 to 90 decrease, hence statement is false, is false. This is false statement. False. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 देखेंगे. Here sin theta equal to cos theta, all values. We have now value only theta 45 is true. 45 is true because sin 45 is equal to cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Other value it is not equal. So our statement is false. Sin theta equal to cos theta for all value of theta. We have now the value of only theta 45 is true. 45 1 by root 2, other values is not equal, so our statement is false. Here question number 5, cot A is not defined, A0. Here cot A is equal to cos A by sin A. Here A is equal to 0 degree, so cos 0 degree oblique sin 0 degree. Here cos 0 is value is 1 and sin 0 is 0, which is equal to not defined, hence which is undefined. Here cot theta is not defined. Yes, cot A is is undefined, hence the statement is true. Hence statement is true. True statement. Here, question number 5. Question number 5 is that sin A minus B is 1 by 2 and sin A plus B 1 by 2. So, we now solution given sin A minus B is equal to half, and this is value is half. Sin A minus B is equal to sin 30 degree. So sin कैंसिल कर देंगे तो A minus B is equal to 30 degree. Question first. Second is that cos A plus B is equal to half. So here cos A plus B is equal to cos 60 degree. So cos cancel. A plus B is equal to 60 degree. Equation second. Solve the equation. Here A minus B is equal to 30. A plus B is equal to 60. So adding here A to A, B cancel. 60 plus 30 is 90. So A value is that 90/2 is equal to 45, and A is 45 minus B 30. So 45 minus 30 is equal to B, which is comes 15 degree. B value is 15 degree. So here find A and B. A is equal to 45 and B is 15 degree, and our A here A value greater than B. So we solve it very easily, find the value A and B. So here question number next कर रहे हैं 6. Here question number 6 is in a triangle PQR, right angle triangle. Here PQ is 3 cm, PR 6 cm. Determine angle QPR and PRQ. Determine करेंगे here. So look here, Q is 90 given है in triangle. Solution: triangle PQR is 90 degree. So given R is theta, sin R value is R. This is R. Side opposite to angle A, angle R, and side side adjacent to angle R. So side opposite to angle R oblique hypotenuse which is sin R is equal to PQ oblique PR. PQ is 3 and PR is 6. So here 3 by 6, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6. Sin R is equal to half, which is equal to sin 30. Sin cancel, तो R value is 30 degree and Q theta is 90 degree. So we easily find P. Sum of all angle is 90. So angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. P value is फाइंड करना है हमारे को एंड Q वैल्यू इज 90 डिग्री, R इज 30 डिग्री इज 180. सो P वैल्यू इज 180 minus 120 is equal to 60 degree. So we easily determine value QPR is 60 degree and angle PRQ R is 30 degree. So we easily find this value. Here क्वेश्चन नंबर हमने 6 इजली समझा और किया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 देखेंगे. इन ABC राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल, here in a triangle ABC right angle triangle at B, AB is 5 centimeter and ACB is 30 degree. Determine length of side BC and AC. So here triangle ABC is a right angle 90 degree. Angle B is 90 degree. So we find length AC and BC, and angle ACB is 30 degree. So we find length BC and AC. So we use sin theta. Use sin 30 degree is equal to AB oblique AC. Sin 30 is 1 oblique 2. AB length is 5 and AC लेंथ क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमारा AC लेंथ आ जाएगा 5 to the 10 centimeter. This is 10 centimeter. And here we use cos 30, get BC oblique hypotenuse AC. BC is base length upon hypotenuse. So base is BC. Cos 30 value is here. Our cos 30 root 3 by 2 and base लेंथ BC हमें फाइंड करना है, हाइपोटेन्यूज ओवर 10. सो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 10 रूट 3 ऑब्लिक 2 इक्वल टू BC. 2 1 जा 2 2 5 जा 10. सो BC लेंथ फाइव रूट 3 and AC length is 10 centimeter. So we easily find it. Here question is that in a right angle triangle ABC, right angle, if tan A is 1, well then the verify 2 sin A cos A is equal to 1. वेरीफाई करेंगे हम यहाँ 2 sin A cos A is equal to 1. सो स्टार्ट करते हैं, सॉल्व करते हैं इसको. हेयर सॉल्यूशन tan A गिवन है हमारे पास 1. सो लेट करेंगे, लेट tan A is equal to 1 oblique 1 which is equal to our tan A. Here AB oblique BC. Here angle B ABC is 90 degree. So here let क्या हमने AB is let length AB is equal to 1K and BC is 1K. सो हाइपोटेन्यूज हम इजीली फाइंड करेंगे. AC is equal to hypotenuse आ रहा हूं हाइट प्लस बेस स्क्वायर. hypotenuse is AC, height is AB plus BC. So AC 1K 2K स्क्वायर, इसकी 2K sin A sin A here sin A side opposite to angle A oblique hypotenuse and cos A side adjacent to angle A upon hypotenuse. So here sin A is, here A is side opposites to angle A is equal to 1K oblique hypotenuse root 2K is equal to 1 by root 2. Here also 1K root 2k is a 1 by root 2. So साइन ए cos ए हमने निकाला, हेयर वैल्यू पुटअप करेंगे 2 cos 2 साइन ए cos ए इजकल टू 1. सो 2 साइन ए की वैल्यू हमारी आई 1 बाई रूट 2, cos की वैल्यू 1 बाई रूट 2 इजकल टू 1. सो 2 रूट 2 इजकल टू 1, 2 से 2 कैंसिल, 1 इजकल टू 1. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इक्वल टू राइट हैंड साइड. Question number 9. Triangle OPQ, right angle at P. OP is 7 cm and OQ minus PQ is 1. Determine the value of sin theta and cos theta. So we find करेंगे here. Question 9 करेंगे. Here is a right angle. Here OP. Here right angle at P, and this is O and OQ. OP is 7 cm and here sin theta गेट करेंगे. दिस इज ए थीटा. सो हेयर वी गिवन वैल्यू ओ क्यू माइनस पी क्यू. सॉल्यूशन इजकल टू 1. सो ओ क्यू वैल्यू इज 1 प्लस पी क्यू. ओ क्यू वैल्यू इज दैट 1 प्लस PQ. So hypotenuse का स्क्वायर हाइट का स्क्वायर प्लस बेस का स्क्वायर. हाइपोटेन्यूस इज OQ, हाइट इज PQ प्लस बेस इज PO. height is OQ. OQ is 1 plus PQ, and here PQ find करना है and PO is value is 7. So we open A plus B का होल स्क्वायर फॉर्मूला, A स्क्वायर प्लस B स्क्वायर प्लस 2AB. So 1 प्लस PQ, 1 स्क्वायर प्लस PQ स्क्वायर प्लस 2. A is 1 and B is PQ. So here 1 plus PQ here. So here OQ is equal to PQ plus PO. PO is 7 का स्क्वायर, PQ here OQ is that 1 plus PQ square plus 2PQ. So here PQ value is cancelled. 1 plus 2PQ is equal to 7 7 is 49. So 2PQ is equal to 49 minus 1, 48. 2PQ and PQ is equal to 48 by 2, 2 to the 4, 2 4 the 8 centimeter. So we now here this is the value O Q P theta. So 724 and hypotenuse is that OQ. So here hypotenuse is OQ square. This is hypotenuse square is equal to height square plus base. So hypotenuse OQ is equal to height is 24 का square plus 7 का square 576 49 625. OQ is 625 here square. So 25 into 25. So OQ is 25. So we put out is sin theta is equal to PQ oblique OQ, and PQ value is 24 and 25, and again cos theta is PO oblique OQ which is equal to 7 oblique 25. सो हमने ईज़िली फाइंड किया हमारा वैल्यू जो है साइन थीटा की वैल्यू 24/25 एंड कॉस थीटा की वैल्यू 7/25. Here sin theta is 24/25 and here cos theta is 7/25. Here we easily understand this question. Here sin theta is 24/25 and so solve it. Thank you for watching this videos and easily understand this question. Thank you.